Greetings, our dearest star family. Greetings to you as well, Ambassador. We are the crystal blue angels from the 13th dimensional consciousness of Arcturus. We wish to speak with you at this time concerning the pure source beings that you are, crystallized ones, for eons of your illusionary earth time. Many humans have held on to this false belief that the Creator exists externally from their being. That is to say, somewhere outside of themselves. The truth is quite elementary. The Creator lies within you. When you begin to embrace that Creator within you, you begin to understand that there is no need for judging yourself or to judge others, because every living being is you, and you are them, for what seems like eons now. Many souls on Mother Gaia's surface have felt this obsessive need to believe in some sort of a divine being that is separate from them. Dearest star family members, there is no divineness that is separate from you. This is because you already embody and encompass it. You are part of that divine creational source flow of all that is. Many of these separation-based thoughts are due to an amnesia that humanity is finally waking up from at this time. Many of you have forgotten what it is like to be an intricate part of that source flow of all that is. Out of fear and a feeling of powerlessness at times, many of you at times have found yourself looking for someone or something that is outside of you. Something to protect you, to make you feel safe and make you feel loved. Those souls have forgotten their own Creator God or Goddess essence within them. Thus the result is a constant belief in an imaginary being outside of themselves that completely holds their fate in its hands. They have this perpetual burning desire to think that this being can help them or punish them. They are in a constant state of feeling like they must appease this being at all costs, or face some kind of imaginary wrath from it. Throughout Earth's history, citizens of your planet have felt the need to appease and pray to self-agenda-based extraterrestrials, and even performing animal and human sacrifices in their honor. The divine creational source flow is non-judgmental, purely love-based energy that encompasses the entire existence of all that is. This energy would never require or even come up with the concept of asking you to do anything in their honor or in their name. This loving energy would only ask that you respect all life with love and non-judgment. Infants incarnated onto your planet knowing that they are of the creation of all that is, and that they are directly connected to it at all times because it is them. Like many of you were, they are coaxed into forgetting what they know, and instead of being encouraged to further embrace that connection, they find themselves perpetually having society's norms and behavior proverbially beaten into them. The awakening and ascension of your planetary grid at this time is causing many souls to come back to the truth that they once knew before they were manipulated and convinced to think otherwise. That truth of who they really are is a divine celestial as well as eternal being of pure love light frequency. They are starting to realize en masse that the divinity is within them and not in some external planetary or dimensional realm that really doesn't exist. Organized religious institutions on your planet have twisted the truth about the source flow of all that is. This has been done for profit-making, manipulation, and mind control. It is one's own personal responsibility to connect back to that source flow within themselves, to go to your heart center and explore the divinity within. Our shiny crystalline ones, when you give up your power to or use as a middleman, you might say in your earth realm a church, mosque, temple, priest or pastor, which claims to have a direct connection to the Creator. You are giving up your own rights to connect with and claim that spark of divine Creator within you. They encourage you to have faith. Faith is not the same as truth. Dear ones, truth is based on that Creator, God or Goddess all-knowing energy that lies within you. A belief in faith encourages you to give up your power. Thus, always hoping that something outside of you will take care of you, something externally will keep you safe. However, we will say that when you make your own connection to the source, you co-create your own safety. You co-create your own truths. You begin to focus on cooperation with others instead of separation from them. You push aside all the noise from competing organizations, such as religions who believe they and they alone have the only answer to seeking a connection with the divine. Even though many of these religious teachings strictly instruct a soul to not judge others that believe different from what they may believe in, the organized, structured dogma of the system that the religions exist within perpetuates an environment where judging others that do not believe as you do becomes ingrained into the woodwork of their philosophy, you might say. At the root of every problem that humanity has ever had lies individuals trying to impose their belief systems on others. A lot of the times this has been done through any means necessary of violent or non-violent. It is the ultimate judging of others, which is caused by an attitude of separation. Our amazing Lightworker and Starseed family, you are stationed in an environment where you are much more in tune with the true spirituality of divine oneness than any leader of a spiritual community that insists on imposing their ideas to the masses. Ideas regarding how the universe was created, as well as how it just naturally flows. At the root of these institutionalized dogmas lies a plethora of fear and control mechanisms to keep one stuck in that mindset of believing that they are not worthy, as well as a continued fear-based drumbeat that one must turn their power over to a higher intelligence, which reigns supreme over them in the universe. Our wonderful Lightworkers and Starseeds, you are here at this time, doing amazing work pulverizing that old paradigm, and we are so encouraged to see this. We love you so much and cannot express to you how much we admire your souls. One thing that you will never have to wonder about because we're telling you it's true. We love your precious hearts. With that, it has been such an honor to share this space with you at this time. Ambassador, we love you so much, and as always, it was great to connect with you. This has been the Crystal Blue Angels from the 13th dimensional consciousness of Arcturus. Until next time, like the ambassador might say, we're outie.